Hey everybody, it's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. I'm recording this on Saturday night because I want to give you some heads up as to what's going to ensue tomorrow, which is a combination of a warm front that's going to be coming through in the morning, one round, and then later in the afternoon, a second round, as a cold front moves well to our north, but what that's going to do is it's a rather strong one. It's going to spin off a few uh, supercells that we are going to have to confront, um, there is the possibility of some severe weather with it. So let's just go through kind of rapidly the what the models are showing. This is for about 8, 9 o'clock this morning, tomorrow morning, this is the first wave, and these are also storms that are coming up from the southwest. There's a lot of tornadoes occurring down there tonight, Saturday night, and that's that's the combination of things headed our way. All right, so this is about 9, 10 o'clock, and down in our southern areas, down in Sussex County, on the Maridale border, and Laurel and Milford, and the beaches, you could see some severe storms early tomorrow morning, and there's a couple that are scattered to our north, but um, they're going to come through rather quickly. So this is about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and they're pretty much, that first round is gone by roughly by noon. The second wave is forming, and you can see this out west. So the second line is forming. This is about one, two, three, four. These straight lines um, could contain some supercells charged, and you know the possibility exists of tornadic rotation the in the supercell, but not necessarily something that touches the ground. So remember, there's that. So the ingredients will be there for a supercell development, but is it guaranteed? No. Once we see rotation in the on the radar, that's when the warnings go up, and that's when we know that there's a possibility of a tornado touching down. So this is from about 4 o'clock till about 7 o'clock tomorrow night. There's going to be a strong line of thunderstorms moving through the state. So it'll move through the northern part between 4 and 6, and then I think between 6 and 8 downstate, you're going to see this line kind of set up between just south of Dover into Georgetown and then down to the beaches. So if you're down there, or if you have something you need something you need to do, and get down there and cover things up or something like that, I would say your best bet is to leave tomorrow morning and get down there and get back before those storms come through. So pretty much there's going to be one wave early in the morning, then a second wave later in the afternoon. So there's going to be probably a little lull in the afternoon. Probably not much in terms of rain either, but um, these seem to be one or two shot deals. It looks like tomorrow morning is going to be the more consistent rain time for the area. And then further north, we're going to see a lot more cells and activity. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a marginal to enhanced or to a slight chance for the Mid-Atlantic region, a slight enhancement for our southern zones, which means that the ingredients are going to be there for severe storms, whether that means tornadic, whether that means supercell development. That's all. That usually is not determined until the system is actually, that the storms are actually occurring. So all this area tomorrow will be under that marginal to enhance to slight. Well, the more enhanced area will be uh, down near the Virginia beaches. So just on the Delmarva. So the enhanced areas will be further south, but we have a slight chance in our southern zones, and then marginal risk in our northern zones till you get till about Allentown. Let's see. Okay, this is the jet streak, and this is a whipping. Uh, this is 100. This red area, this is 140 knots of wind. Uh, wind jet streak whipping through the area, and you can see the right entrance to the jet streak, and then an exit region coming like swooping right through the area. So what that is indicating now, that's not surface winds. It's upper level. It's it's 5 miles up in the atmosphere. But does that translate? What does that translate to on the ground? Probably what it does is it translates that there's going to be this tremendous southern jet that's going to be screaming through, and that's going to cause some upward motion of air and vorticity, which I'll show you next. And here's the upper level trough. Now this is for about between 4 and 7 tomorrow night when that second wave comes through. We have a negatively tilted trough. We have 110 knot winds at 500 millibars, which is roughly 18,000 feet high. What that translates to, the bottom of the atmosphere, again, is, considerably less, but still, that's a really strong jet, pounding in. You've got warm air and dew points high, and you've got upward motion of air, and you've got this strong vorticity. So there's a very strong probability that there is going to be some kind of severe weather in the area tomorrow. So what I'll do is I'll come back tomorrow morning, and I'll do a Facebook Live, depending on, see if I see anything significant. But I'll post this in the morning, and then come back in the afternoon as the second wave is coming through. All right, that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Have a safe and a happy Sunday, and stay inside in the afternoon when those severe storms come through. And if anything looks, scarier, I'll be on the air with you. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios. Thank you for the birthday.